Today, I want to show you how to record clear and clean audio for your YouTube videos, even if all you have is your phone. Let's be real. We all hate that background noise that sound like mosquito or a fan running marathon. And most of us think we need expensive microphone set up just to sound professional. But what if I told you that you can get stable studio-like audio without buying any fancy gear? Yep. I recently learned some cool tricks that top creators use to record amazing audio with or without a microphone. I'll also show you how I remove noise using Adobe Audition, even when the audio sounds rough at first. This method helped me go from noisy, shaky sound to clear audio that people actually want to listen to. So in this video, I'll give you 6 simple steps to level up your sound. Let's go. Okay, for step 1, when you want to record clear and clean audio, is to choose a quiet location. It's more important than you think. Before you even press record on your camera or a phone that you're using to record an audio, ask yourself, is my background quiet enough? Trust me, I used to record next to a window with cars, birds, dogs, and maybe even goats passing by. No wonder my audio sounded like a market. Look for a space in your house that has less echo, far from fans, fridges, or open windows, and no one is shouting or singing nearby. You don't need a studio. A corner in your bedroom with few clothes hanging around can work wonders. If it sounds quiet to your ears, it's probably good enough for your mic too. For step 2, use the best microphone that you can find. If you have a mic, use it. Just like my condenser microphone in front of me, this is a sensitive and accurate microphone that captures voice and instrument. It actually sounds very clearly and naturally. At the same time, you can also use this wireless lavalier microphone. This one, it's less costly. It's a hand-free use microphone since you don't need to hold it, because when you hold it, it picks hands moving noise from the background. You can also move around with it since you don't need to tie it to cables. What happens if you don't have a microphone? Do not panic. Your phone mic is actually better than you think. Just make sure to get close to the mic, like 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. Avoid holding the phone. It picks up handling noise. Use your voice memo app or camera app and speak clearly. You can also use cheap clip on mics, even the ones that cost less a burger, help your voice sound 10 times better. And remember, don't shout. You are not calling your friend across the street. Speak naturally and let the mic do the work. For step 3, control the sound around you. Yes, it matters. Let's say you are recording with your phone or a basic mic, but you live near noisy neighbors or a busy road. Here's what you can do. Number 1, close the doors and windows just to reduce the weird sounds or unnecessary sounds from outside from getting in. The other thing that you can do is to switch off fans and AC while recording. This is to reduce the weird sounds from AC, computers, or even laptops from recording them. Another thing that you can do is also ask your siblings or roommates for just 5 minutes of silence. You can bribe them with snacks if needed. Little things like these reduce background noise and save you stress when editing. Another step, that is step 5, is I recommend you to use a DIY mic stand. You want your mic or phone to stay still and close to your mouth. If you don't have a tripod stand or a mic stand, just do this. Stack some books or boxes and place your phone or mic on top of it. Lean it against something so it doesn't fall. I want to tell you that stable mic is equal to clean audio. And try to avoid shaky mics because they are equal to thumbs, bumps, and drama you don't want in your video. The next step is to clean your audio using Adobe Audition. So you've recorded your audio and your audio sounds good, but still there's a hiss, hum, or weird sound in the background of your video that you've recorded. Don't panic. This is how I clean my audio using Adobe. In this tutorial, I'll use my Samsung phone to record an audio using its sound recorder. I'm Kingsley Hadrian wearing a black earphones. So the voice, the sound that you've recorded, we've just imported it into our Adobe Audition to remove the noise from the background. So the first thing that we'll do, we'll turn on the time selection tool. That is this one, and again turn on the loop. After that, we'll turn on the spatial frequency display. This one. After that, we'll identify the part that has the noise, and that is the purple patch, which is this one. So the purple patch is the part that have the noise, and it should be black. So we'll highlight it this way, just like that. After highlighting it, we'll go to the effects, under effects, to noise reduction and restoration, then capture noise spread. After doing that, we'll copy by Control A, then Control Shift P. Here we have the noise reduction, which will move it into farthest point possible, where it is at 95 or 100% or 98. Then spectral decay should be 0. Of course, it should be 0. So you realize that we have a size 4096 and a noise print snapshot, which is 4000. So the errors or the noise background that we want to delete. So let's move this into the left side or the right side. I don't know that side according to you. Then let's apply everything. Doing this, you'll notice that the purple, some of the purple patches have turned into black. That means we removed some background noise. And now this is the voice. I'm Kingsley Hadrian wearing a black earphones. I'm Kingsley Hadrian wearing a black earphones. So that is how to remove noise from your background audio that you've recorded using Adobe Audition. So this brings me to tell you that you don't need a studio, an expensive mic, or soundproof walls. All you need is a quiet place, some basic tools like Premiere Pro, CapCut, and a little magic in Adobe Audition. If I can do it, so can you. And if you want personal help setting up your sound, click the link in my description that says work with me. I'll guide you through the whole process in one-on-one session. Thank you for your time for watching this episode. Subscribe, like, and comment.